ponies. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that little one with a little white bit on his nose. Isn't he beautiful? Absolutely tiny as well. And there's the rest of them. They are so lovely. So lovely. Beautiful looking ponies. Absolutely beautiful. This is a really big herd. I'm not going to go too close because the stallion is around here somewhere and he'll go for me if I go too close. So yeah, look. They're so beautiful. He's absolutely freezing here. This one isn't very old. This is quite a young one. So you can see his or her face. They're so fluffy I can't see whether they're boys or girls. Oh, she's so pretty. She's about 2 years old, that one. I think she's in foal. But look at that. Look at that little one. Absolutely gorgeous. Even the gauze. This is the gauze. And there's a lot of medicinal purposes, especially in the flowers. That's an even smaller one there, hiding in the gorse. I've just got to keep my eye on the stallion. I can't even see the stallion. I don't know where he is. But I certainly don't want to be attacked by him because he is quite nasty. There's another nice little pony up here. That one there. I don't know if she'll let us get any closer. She might do. It's absolutely chucking it down with rain here at the moment, which is so nice. And it's so windy I can't hear if the stallion's coming. This one. Isn't she pretty? It's a blessing. Not him. Those ones there are sheltering wind, which is really nice. And look at the backdrop, the view. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Thought I'd just quickly capture the little ponies for you. She's actually about 4 foot away from me. Oh, yes, really close. I almost feel like I could just pop my fingers out and give him or her a stroke. Absolutely beautiful. It's a really big herd as well. There's 2 more over there, and that's carried on mask in the background. Joys. But yeah. Oh, I now know this one is a little boy. Absolute little boy. So there. That's the Moorland ponies for you. Quite a nice little video. I'm absolutely freezing. I'm walking down this little rough track that the Moorland farmers use to check the animals with. Slipping around. Let me just see if I can get a better closer one of this little one here, because this one's tiny. I'd say that is last year's farm. Hello. Oh, lovely. So beautiful. Anyway, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye bye.